Hi friends, we have a very nice problem. 3z plus 1, 4z plus 1, 6z plus 1, 12z plus 1 is equal to 2, right? We have to solve this problem. So first we will take as 12 is the coefficient of z, here 6 coefficient of z, here 4 and here 3 is the coefficient of z. We will make same coefficient of z, right? First, as we have 12, we will multiply this by 2, right? Is equal to 24, right? So first we will make 24 coefficient of z, right? So what will we do? 12z plus 1 we will multiply by this 2, right? And here 6z plus 1. So to make 24 coefficient we will multiply by 4, right? And here 4z plus 1. To make coefficient 24 we will multiply by 6, right? And here 3z plus 1. So we will multiply by 8, right? Now 8, 6, 4, 2. Okay. So here 2. We will multiply same by 8 into 6 into 4 into 2, right? Now we have 24z plus 8. Here 24z plus 6. 24z plus 4 and 24z plus 2 is equal to 768, right? Now we have same coefficient 24, 24, 24 and 24, right? So in next step 24z plus 8 can be brought as 5 plus 3 and here 24z plus 6 as 5 plus 1. Here 24z plus 4 as 5 minus 1 and this 24z plus 2 5 minus 3 is equal to 768. Okay, let 24z plus 5 is equal to a. Okay, (24) z plus 5, 24 z plus 5, 24 z plus 5, 24 z plus 5, right? Now this can be written as a plus 3, this as a plus 1, this as a minus 1 and this as a minus 3 is equal to 768, right? If we rearrange a plus 3 and this a minus 3, a plus 1, a minus 1 is equal to 768, right? Now this can be written as a square minus 3 square, right? A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b formula, right? And this as a square minus 1 is equal to 768. Okay, again let a square is equal to b, right? So this can be written as b minus 9 and this as b minus 1 is equal to 768. Okay, if we multiply this and this, we get b square minus 10b plus 9 is equal to 768. Okay, so b square minus 10b, this and this, minus 756 is equal to 0. So b square, this as minus 33b plus 23b minus 756 is equal to 0. If we take b as common, so b minus 33 plus 23 common, b minus 23 is equal to 0. Now we have b minus 33, b plus 23 is equal to 0, right? So we have two cases, b minus 33 is equal to 0 and second case b plus 23 is equal to 0. Okay, b is equal to a square as we have assumed, right? So here we can write a square minus 33 is equal to 0, right? As we have assumed a is equal to 24z plus 5, right? So we can write here 24z plus 5 whole square, right? Minus 33 is equal to 0. So 24 plus z plus 5 whole square, a plus b whole square, right? Just like 576 z square. Square of 24 is this, right? Plus second term square 25 plus 2 into first term into second term 240 z minus 33 is equal to 0. Okay, so 576 z square plus 240 z, this and this, minus 8 is equal to 0. This is quadratic form of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? So z is equal to minus b, this 240 plus minus square root of b square 240 square minus 4 ac 576 into c minus 8 over 2a is this 576, right? So z is equal to minus 240 240 plus minus, this value will become 48 square root of 33 over this into this 1152. So Z is equal to, if we solve this, we get minus 5 plus minus square root of 33 over 24. This is the first root, right? If we go with this, right, if we apply same procedure, we get Z is equal to minus 5 plus minus square root of 23i over 24, right? So this is the first root and this will be the second root. Okay friends, thank you.